the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way I comb my hair on a warm summer morning. La 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 la, la 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 la. Hello Goldilocks, you have such lovely long hair. Thanks Mrs. Iyer, good morning. Thank you so much. Good morning. I like your comb too. I have to keep on combing so long. May I have your comb for some time? Oh no, Mrs. Iyer, it's mine. Please don't mind. Take these. I have some spare combs. What are you up to? Well, I'm going to make impressions. Impressing some prince like how I did. No. As it is, we artists are quite impressive. That's what people say. I don't know. Yes, I know that. You get many likes. Okay friends, let's set aside puppetry for some time and get back to real serious work. So, Hariom friends, this is Chandra B. Iyer again from KACC, Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes, friends, in the last class we learnt about puppet making and a book making. Special gift for our dear darling moms. Today we will learn to make impressions. That is, you have to take impressions, not make impressions. When you take impressions, you will automatically make impressions. Yes. So let's get back to some serious work. Hello friends. We have some materials and also a reference for you. You don't require any reference because when you were in your school days and you had created impressions on the last few pages with coins and combs and other things, other devices which had a texture. Let's go back to our school days, right? So you will have to place your paper and below that few things like these coins and other things, combs, etc. Okay. Now let's see how to do this. You will have to have some crayons. Mine are very old crayons. Let's see if they are working. And some combs. Anything which has got texture. Your paper should be somewhat thin, not a very thick paper that is used for watercolors, but a thin ordinary A4 size paper will do. Okay, now let's start our work. I've already kept below this paper some coins and the other devices. Let's press it tight. You will have to be cruel enough to cut the crayon, right? Cut the crayon, no problem. Remove the skin or peel the skin, means the paper wrapper. Then you can see a 1 rupee coin here. This is a 10 rupee coin. That was the reverse of the 2 rupee coin, right? Okay, got it. So you have many coins. Consider yourself to be very rich. Okay, that you have extra coins to rub on and create something beautiful. This is a work of children, but let's be children once again. No harm, isn't it? Let's pick up a pink color. You don't keep it vertically, keep it like this horizontally, hold the middle portion. You can always cut it. They like to create some sounds. See, it produces a sound and they are thrilled. Hey, I'm creating something. This is Aishwarya column. Column means Rangoli. Meant for some other purpose. Meant for column only, but used in some other way. Now we are using it at present for this purpose that we are here today. So this way you can create some, get some other. Let's see what comes out of it. Oh, Hanumanji. I can see the image of Hanumanji. Buddhirbalam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvam arogata ajadyam vakpadutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhave. When I teach you Sanskrit, that time I will teach you the meaning of this. In case you do not know, by the time all know it. All are expert Sanskrit scholars. So you have your Hanumanji here. Okay, now you can also use two colors in case you want to create any kind of design. This was a device that I had used. You put white powder, mix, so that's harmful for insects. So you add some flour, rice flour invariably, and fill it. And when you do this on the floor or the doorstep, you get a design of Aishwarya column. Aishwarya is the one who gives a lot of money to you. So be happy to look at her. Place some combs below the paper. You can take a colored paper. Let's see. So when you take a colored paper, you should be aware of the contrasting colors, right? So let's take dark blue. Feel the design. Dark blue, navy blue. Dark blue is a layman's way of expression. This is Prussian blue, which layman says navy blue. In my mind, I want to create a peacock. That's in my mind, right? So that's why I've taken this way. So how will you draw a peacock? Just draw a peacock like this. Okay. Draw not the peacock. List is left to you. You can add more colors. You are the creator and you are the Brahma. How it is, right? Okay. Let's set aside peacock for some time. Creates a sound like like how a carpenter does. Children will be excited. As I told you, children like to be noisy. We were also noisy. Once this sheet of the plate it's a glass plate. It's got a texture on top and also on the borders. You can try this. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, that is quite beautiful. You have to hold this way, right? And see that it doesn't roll out. You will have to run after it. Wherever you know there is texture here, rub there. Repeat the rubbing technique. Okay, so ends of the plate also you can give it a trial. Whether the paper is cooperative or not, then you can get these designs also. thanks for watching. That's all for now.